हरिः ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषा प्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य षट्चत्वारिंशत्तमे कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। The next topic is eva. So eva means only. That's the meaning of eva. Let us see some examples and understand them. So balakaha paఠం patati. Balakaha eva paఠం patati. Only boy studies the lesson. Boy only studies the lesson. Okay, so in that case, the meaning is the indirect meaning is nobody else or the other people do not study the lesson. That's what it means. But by balakaha eva paఠం patati means only boy studies the lesson. And it is similar to cha. So in cha or in api, especially if you take api, based on the location of the api, the meaning of the sentences changes. The same way eva also will behave. For example, based on the location of the eva, the meaning of the sentence would change. For example, balakaha eva paఠం patati, only boy studies the lesson. If we move it to the next word, like balakaha paఠం eva patati, boy studies boy studies only the lesson. It does not study anything else. Actually, it does not study shloka, or it does not study katha or anything. It just studies only the lesson. So balakaha paఠం eva patati. And similarly, balakaha paఠం patati eva. He only studies the lesson. He does not write the lesson, or he does not maybe chant, or he does not tell the lesson. He only studies the lesson. So based on the location of eva, the meaning changes. Actually, the eva means only, and that meaning is applied to the word before eva. So it's again cha and api and eva. All these would actually appear after the word which you are intended to use with. Balakaha eva paఠం patati. Balakaha paఠం eva patati. Balakaha paఠం patati eva. But as a beginner, we don't really have to worry about where to place. But when you speak, it naturally comes for you. But this just need to understand that eva means only, and it should be used after the word which you want to use with. Okay, that's the takeaway. And few more examples. Balaha eva dugdham ichchati pita na. So only boy likes the milk. The father does not like it. Okay, here balaha eva dugdham ichchati. Okay, these are the few examples using eva. Now let us move on to the exercises. We'll try to give some examples for eva.
अहं संस्कृतम् एव पठामि. अहमेव संस्कृतं पठामि.
What's the meaning?
I only read Sanskrit. I am only read Sanskrit.
Uttamam.
In the second and the third sentence, paఠం eva patati, okay, I understood. It is he reads only paఠం, doesn't write or anything. The third one, paఠం patati eva, the same meaning it conveys, right?
No, he just reads the lesson. He does not write, or he does not say the lesson. He just only reads the lesson. That's the meaning of the third one.
The second also implies the same. Paఠం eva patati.
No, second he reads it, but he only reads the lesson. He does not read something else. Actually, so basically, in the second one, the eva is applied on the object. So no other objects can be there. Only paఠం is there. That's why eva is used. And in the third one, eva is applied on the kriya padam. He only does reading on the lesson, but it does not do anything else on the lesson. But lesson is fixed here. The third one. But here in the second one, he reads it, but only the lesson, but he does not read anything else. But looks similar, but eva is actually applied on the object for the second one, and in the kriya padam in the third one.
Agam sayankale chayam eva pibami. I drink only tea in the evening. I drink only tea in the evening. Aham.
Yeah, uttamam.
Aham satyam eva vadami. I speak only the truth.
Uttamam.
Mrigaha eva vane brahmanti janaha na. Correct?
Yes.
भक्ताः एव देवालयं गच्छन्ति. Only devotees go to temple.
Uttamam.
Balika
Hari Om.
Slokan Vadati Eva Maratina. The girl only tells the slokam but doesn't remember it.
Can you repeat the sentence again?
Balika Slokan Vadati Eva Maratina.
Nasmarati.
Oh, not Marati. Okay.
Am.
The other sentence will be, if I want to say, she tells only slokas, but nothing else. So, Balika, slokaneva vadati,
Samyak.
nothing else will be anyana, or
Anyat na vadati.
anyat na vadati.
And you gave some example with the Eva and Api in the earlier one, right? Can you repeat that now?
That is, Saha, Dharmaneva nasti, Dharmavan api.
Meaning?
He's not only rich, but also Dharmavan. He's a very charitable
Yeah,
person.
tamam. Samyak.
So we can use both. Thank you.
हरिश्चन्द्रः सत्यमेव वदति.
Uttamam.
कृष्णः एव मम इष्टम्.
Krishna eva mama ishtaha. It will be adjective for Krishna.
कृष्णः एव मम इष्टः. Krishna only is my God.
Samyak.
अहं परीक्षासमये एव पठामि. I read only during the exam time.
Uttamam. Samyak.
And मम अहं बुभुक्षा समये एव अन्नं खादामि. When I get hungry, I eat food.
Uttamam.
मङ्गलवासरे गृहम् एव आगच्छतु. Tuesday, please come to my house. Please come, griham eva. Please come to my house only. That is eva.
Uttamam. So that means you are telling don't go anywhere else, just come to only my house. Okay.
Please come to my house. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, astu. I think that's all about all the Q&A. And now let's move on to the next one. Yeah, of course, we'll have exercises on this topic. Write 5 sentences using eva. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If there are any questions or if you want to interact with teachers or students, please log into forum.Sanskrit.Today, or you can even join our Telegram group. You can find the link of the Telegram group in the course page. And subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group, and make use of the comment section below the video if you have any suggestions or feedback about this session or the series. Finally, click on the like button, and if let us meet in the next session with some other topic. Dhanyawadaha.